That is going to take you at least 5 tries. Don't let him do it less than 5 times. Put your back into it.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Nicely done. While that is happening, what is your name? Michael is going to take a piece of leather that covers his left thumb. And your leather-covered left thumb, say that 3 times fast, will cover a little vent right back there. You can just imagine that it's there. Okay, why does he cover this little vent? Nope, we don't want something to come out. Instead, we don't want something to get in. Air. The last time we fired this cannon, there might be some latent sparks inside the barrel. These two just shoved 1 pound of gunpowder down the tube. What happens if oxygen is introduced in this situation? Boom! A giant explosion that kills off your entire cannon crew. This is kind of an important job. Don't move your thumb. Don't move your thumb. Now, your thumb goes on that vent as soon as Tasha orders the ammunition, okay? But you got to stand here and put your elbow up like this. Upwardly. Because Dallas has to look through your arm to aim the cannon. So he would adjust the elevation of the gun right here. If he had to move the gun left or right, he'd put a long spike into these 2 little eyes back here, use it as a lever to move the cannon left or right. Okay, that's fine.
You look ridiculous in those
That's
glasses.
fine, I'm from Northern Maine.
You look ridiculous in those glasses.
Alright, Dallas, once you have the cannon aimed, you may step back.
I do as I'm
Michael,
looking at
remove
my
your
reflection.
thumb. Now you're going to take a giant needle.
I love it.
You're going to shove it down into the vent. That creates a hole. Hurt yourself? Okay, that creates a hole in the bag of gunpowder. What's your name? JJ? KJ, I'm sorry. KJ is going to take a little copper tube full of gunpowder. He drops it down into the vent, and he hooks up a rope or a lanyard. And he and his lanyard are going to step back over here. Right back over here. Now, why does he step back over here? Yes. Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Our cannonball goes that way, which means our cannon goes which way? Back. The cannon will roll back. It will recoil. How far will this cannon? 6 feet. How far will the cannon roll back? 6 feet? Sit back here. 3 feet. 10 feet. 7, 8, 4.5. A yard. This cannon will likely recoil, depending on the elevation of the gun and the terrain, somewhere between 2 and 12 feet. Which means, Tasha, before you fire this gun, you better make sure your crew is out of the way. You, Dallas, and Michael step back outside the wheel. Cameron, Paris, you guys stand outside the hubs of the wheel, right here next to the round part. Fairly close to the wheel. Don't put your hand on the wheels. Now, all right. What sound does a cannon make when it fires?
Boom.
Bang.
Bang.
Boom!
Yeah, like that. All of you.
Boom!
Cannon's really loud, right? So all the hearing protection these guys have is that. Not very effective, is it? Now, once we get everybody out of the way, Tasha will say, nobody can hear you. Fire! Now he can hear you. JJ, you yank his lanyard. Yanks, there you go. That causes an explosion inside the gun, causes the cannonball to leave the gun. Cannon shoots back. Everybody on the cannon crew, not you guys, are going to come up here and roll this 2,000-pound gun back into place. Yeah. Roll it back! Go!
I think it's heavy.
Go ahead. Come on, Paris.
Try.
Poor Paris is over here by herself. Help her out, Tasha.
Good luck.
All right. Now, once we get the cannon rolled back, Cameron, you are going to turn around your Q-tippy thing. You will dunk the sponge end into a bucket of water hanging right here, and you will sponge down the inside of the barrel. 2 or 3.
1, 2,
Well, that's a different deal.
3.
That's right. Why does he sponge down the barrel? Clean it. It's going to extinguish all the sparks inside the gun. Plus, what happens to this cannon when we fire it? It gets hot. So sponging down the barrel with water will cool down the cannon. Does everybody know what your job is?
Yes.
Back to your position. Let's do it again. Now, here's the question, ladies and gentlemen. How quickly can our 8-person cannon crew load? As quick as they want it to fire. Roll the cannon back into place and sponge down the barrel.
5 minutes.
2 to 5, you said? A minute and a half? 5 to 10. Minute.
I'll go like 10.
I'll go like 4. 8 good?
3.5 days.
Yeah. They gonna win.
Okay, well,
A good, well-trained artillery crew can load, aim, fire, roll the cannon back, and sponge down the barrel in 30 seconds.
Whoa.
Tasha,
Better run.
are you up to the challenge?
Yes.
Okay. Are you my official timer? Got a stopwatch. Okay. We'll wait for these cars to go by. We're going to do this on the count of 5. Tasha, you know what you say? Shell with a 5-second fuse. Shell with a 5-second fuse. Okay, and I'll help you out from there. Are y'all ready? All right, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Shell with a 5-second fuse now! Cover the bed, Michael. Dallas, start aiming.
Went in front of the cannon.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, needle in, primer in, clear your crew. Fire! Boom! Roll the cannon back. Go, 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 go. Sponge down the barrel. Sponge!
1, 2, 3.
Time.